Need to book a room at UniKL RCMP? Let's get you sorted with the VenuEquip system.
All right, let's get that event space booked. It's super quick and easy, I'll show you.
Okay, first things first. Head to the homepage and quickly scan the terms and conditions.
First up, let's check room availability. Super important step before you do anything else.
The main calendar gives you a bird's eye view of everything that's already booked.
And these color codes, they tell you the status of every booking at a glance.
For a specific room, just use the quick booking tool on the right. Easy.
It'll show you all the open time slots. You can pick one or set your own. All right, now that you know your slot is free, let's actually create the booking.
Just start by filling in your basic info. You know, name, department, all that good stuff.
Next, pick your room. You can even book multiple rooms at once, with one catch.
And here's the catch. IT labs have to be booked separately. Don't mix them.
See that booking summary on the right? Keep an eye on it as you go.
It'll tell you right away if a room is available, already taken, or just blocked off.
And this is exactly what those unavailable or blocked alerts will look like. No surprises.
Okay, Section 3, adding your extras. This is for equipment and required documents.
Need speakers, tables, or anything else? You can add all that right here.
And this is a big one. You have to upload your approved proposal. It's mandatory.
You're almost there. Let's hit submit and see what happens next. The system will instantly tell you if it went through or if there was an error.
Then, check your email. You'll get a message with the link to manage your booking. That link is super useful. You can edit or even cancel your request right from there.
Finally, just wait for one last email telling you if it's been approved. That's it.
And just like that, you're all set to book your next event. Easy, right?